Leah's gonna try her first toxic waste. Take a lick first. Is it yummy? Here, look, put it in your mouth. Is it sour? Mm-mm. Is it yucky? Yeah. Yeah, Auntie told you it was sour. See?
Thank you, Manny. Come on, George. We should get
Was it yucky? Yeah, Auntie told you it was yucky candy.
Yucky candy, Tata.
We don't have any other candy but sour ones. Leah, was it yucky? Look, watch Auntie, Leah. All right, thank you. Bye.